Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another dish to show you guys. This one is a mushroom dish. The name of the company that made it is Strawberry Street. It's not made for dishwashers or microwaves. It's just to store little things inside. I bought it for my kitchen, but I suppose you could use this anywhere in your house. I thought it was super cute. And as you guys know, mushrooms are really popular right now. They are literally popping up everywhere. And I have the tendency to want to buy every mushroom I see because I think they're so cute. But I bought this one and I'm going to just be satisfied with this little dish. Maybe I can use it by my coffee bar or just somewhere in my kitchen to display. Hope you guys like this. I found this at Marshall's and it was $5. Hope everyone's having a great day. Bye.